Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Today we have taken we had a detailed meeting with the town planning board, and in the town planning board various issues were discussed. In the media, several hill cutting and several issues that have been discussed, and constantly the direction was in the direction of the town and country planning department. Not a single issue reported by the media has the permission of the town and country planning department. Every decision that has been, every action that was taken by the concerned individual, action has been taken by the town planning department. FIRs have been filed, and we are moving for fresh amendments. That even in the past the rule was like this: that first you have to file, if he's gone beyond 25% gradient, he has to file department has to file FIR, and then the court would decide. Court can decide, because court has to decide. And what we want to do is bring in amendments so that immediately, if it is beyond 25% and is established fact, we want to bring in a fine of about 25 lakhs in this particular thing. So I am moving the file now, so that we immediately fine. So people have to fear actually from hill cutting beyond 25% gradient. आज माझ्या स्वतःच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, आज माझ्या स्वतःच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी झारखंड म्हणून एक एरिया, ते एकट्या मनशाने इल्लिगली 100 प्लॉट मारले. आज आता ऑफिसरांक आम्ही बोर्ड मिटिंगेन घेतल्या की डिसिजन घ्या की 70 आणि उसगांव माझ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी स्ट्रिक्टली ते धरपाक जाय. आता कोणी प्लॉट मारले, कशें कितें मारले, अशें आता हांव काल मिटींग आमी पंचायत मेंबरांची घेतली, म्हाका कळ्ळें क्लोजर कितलेय केसीसचे जाल्या. तुम्ही म्हणटा न्ही डिपार्टमेंटान एक्शन घेवंक जाय, डिपार्टमेंटान 900 केसीसचेर एक्शन घेतल्या, आनी 900 केसीसचेर एक्शन घेवन आमकां ते मागीर फायनल क्लोजराक प्लेसीस येता, तेंचेर एक्शन कितें आहा तें जायत ना. म्हणून आमकां अमेंडमेंट ह्या दर्जा प्लॉटिंग इल्लिगल केल्यार, ऑर्चर्ड लँडान प्लॉटिंग इल्लिगल केल्यार कमीत कमी 25 लाख फायन आमी घालतले. एरिया वायज आमी स्पेसिफिकेशन करून आमी एक टेबल करतले. 5,000 एंड अबाव, 10,000 अबाव, 25,000 एंड अबाव, एक 3 कॅटेगरी करून आमी ते फायन घालपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न असतो. हे ग्रीन हब्स आर डेव्हलप करायची गरज आहे. लोकांची वस्ती वाढत चालली गोवामध्ये, पण त्याचबरोबर वाढताना सामान्य जनतेचे जीवन एक सुखीने व्हायला पाहिजे, आणि त्याला योग्य तऱ्हेचे बेनिफिट्स मिळायची गरज आहे.
Watch on Herald TV.